Hey everyone, the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro emerges as one of the most sophisticated smartwatches in the market, blending high-end aesthetics with professional-grade features. Available in both 42mm and 46mm sizes, the Watch GT5 Pro offers versatility in both design and functionality, ensuring it caters to a wide array of users. Whether you are a health enthusiast, a golfer, or simply someone looking for a stylish and practical timepiece, the Watch GT5 Pro promises a feature-packed experience. One of the most striking features of the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro is its design, which seamlessly combines elegance and durability. The 46mm model, made from titanium, sports a bold and sporty look with an octagonal face and a red crown ring. Meanwhile, the 42mm variant, with its ceramic body and nanocrystals, offers a more refined, classic appearance. Despite the premium materials, the watch is lighter and thinner than its predecessors, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Both the 42mm and 46mm versions come in different variants, sporty and classic, each offering subtle design differences, allowing users to choose a style that suits their personal preferences. Moreover, the watch is dust, corrosion, and water resistant with IP69K certification, meaning it can withstand some of the toughest environmental conditions. This makes it ideal for active users who require a rugged yet stylish device. The Watch GT5 Pro's display is another highlight. The 46mm model features a 1.43-inch AMOLED color screen with 326 ppi, while the 42mm version boasts a slightly smaller 1.32-inch display with 352 ppi. Both have a 466 by 466 resolution, ensuring crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The watch also introduces 13 new watch face themes, ranging from geometric patterns to sports-inspired designs, allowing for customization based on the user's mood or style. The intuitive interface is controlled by a rotating crown and side buttons, providing seamless navigation through apps, notifications, and fitness features. Additionally, the Stay Fit app integrates with Huawei Health, offering real-time data for various activities, such as cycling, running, and even swimming. Huawei has outfitted the Watch GT5 Pro with a robust set of health and fitness tracking tools. It supports more than 100 exercise options, including running, cycling, and swimming. The watch excels in tracking outdoor activities, thanks to its sunflower positioning system, which accurately locates and tracks movement via satellite signals. For those who love golf, the watch includes over 15,000 golf course databases, offering in-depth 3D views of fairways and greens. The device also emphasizes comprehensive health monitoring. It features an expert-grade sleep monitor, which tracks irregular breathing and offers detailed insights into sleep quality. The ECG analysis provides accurate, real-time heart health data within 30 seconds, while the PPG sensor detects arrhythmias like AFib. Women's health features are included as well, offering quick access to menstrual and fertility tracking. Emotional well-being is a unique addition, with the watch's Panda avatar mimicking your emotional state to help improve mood. Battery life is one of the standout features of the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. The 46mm model offers an impressive 14-day battery life under optimal conditions, while the 42mm model lasts for 7 days. Even with always-on display mode enabled, the battery life remains respectable, lasting between 3 and 5 days depending on the model. Wireless charging ensures that keeping the device powered is convenient and hassle-free. Running on a highly optimized operating system, the Watch GT5 Pro is compatible with both iOS and Android, making it versatile for a broad range of users. Connectivity features like Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and 2.4 GHz WLAN are included, along with GNSS for precise location tracking. The watch also supports Bluetooth calling and comes with a built-in speaker and microphone, making it easy to stay connected even during workouts or outdoor adventures. The watch is also integrated with App Gallery, allowing users to install additional software, and it introduces a Celia keyboard for easier input. One of the most useful software updates is the screenshot functionality, activated by pressing the up and down tabs, which can capture and share on-screen data instantly. The Huawei Watch GT5 Pro impresses with its elegant yet rugged design, superior health and fitness tracking features, and exceptional battery life. The 3D golf course view and expert-grade ECG functionality set it apart from other smartwatches, making it a great companion for both fitness enthusiasts and casual users. Its compatibility with both Android and iOS expands its usability, and its customizable watch faces add a personal touch to the user experience. However, the watch is not without its downsides. Its high price tag, around €448, places it in the premium smartwatch category, making it less accessible for budget-conscious consumers. Additionally, some users might find the software ecosystem limited compared to other brands like Apple or Samsung. The absence of third-party app support could also be a drawback for those looking for more app integration. Overall, the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro is an exceptional smartwatch that caters to those who prioritize a blend of premium design and high-end functionality. While its price may deter some, the rich array of features, from detailed health monitoring to golf-specific tools, make it a worthy investment for users who want a device that excels in both performance and style. Thanks for watching. I hope you've already subscribed to the channel. If not, you can do so for free. Have a nice day, and see you soon.